Hi. So plan on spending roughly an hour on this content that we've got prepped for you here. This is going to be like pick your off ramp style stuff where as soon as you start to feel like this might be worth my time, go explore that rabbit hole. Go nuts because there's going to be a lot of information here, and this is not designed for you to go through all of it. It's really a pick and choose. If you want to take a little bit here, then skip to here, then go here, really find what is going to be the most beneficial for you. I would suggest you start at the very, very beginning, work your way through, skim when you feel like you know it. And then as soon as you start to get into something you feel is kind of meaty, slow down, dig into that, and really go nuts. And then skip the rest, but monitor your time in there. So, just to give you a quick overview, we're going to start off with just some basics. This will be more of a we need to be reminded more than we need to be taught. But this is definitely still a need for, I would argue, honestly, anybody, because I'm going to break a few of these rules a few times as we go through here. I just know it. So, this is a good thing to be reminded about. And then we're going to just talk about some ways that we can up that a little bit. So, still working with like teacher generated instructional videos and how can you up your game a little bit on there? What are some other tools and third party things that we can do to make those more interactive or engaging? And then at the very end, we're going to get a little bit more big picture and be thinking of those instructional videos as exactly what they are, just tools to prompt student learning. And so, what are some ways that we can turn students from consumers to creators? Don't forget about the 1 hour workshop on October 25th. That is just an asynchronous opportunity for those of you that are looking for it. It will not really be covering any of this information. It'll be bring a problem of practice and let's workshop it together. So it's not going to be us talking about instructional videos, it'll be us working with them. So, to give you a little bit of an overview, you're going to see some behind the scenes stuff here, but each of the uh, levels are set up essentially the same, where you work your way through, you watch the instructional video, you'll have some action steps where you can kind of take a branch. So always engage in the information before the action steps for the most part, at least take a look at it, identify what's there, and then which of these two do you want to do. And there's always going to be some suggested practice tasks there as well. So that's level one. Level two is going to look a little bit different in that it's going to be a variety of tools with a couple of options here. And so you'll be able to, do you want to talk about YouTube? Do you want to talk about inserting questions? But again, you'll notice down here some suggested action steps and practice tasks. And then finally, level three here, where set up almost exactly the same. Can you hear my dog? Let's find out. Someone just rang the doorbell. Do you hold on? We're just gonna power through one. That's level one, right? Okay, so level three here, pick and choose suggested practice steps. If you get to this point and you don't find anything that is worth your time, reach out to me. But if you do, move on to that reflection piece here, which is just a discussion task, and then go ahead and post there. And posting something there and responding will be how you claim your clock hour for this professional development. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Hope to talk to you soon.